Welcome to the WASM 604 Smart Compressed Air Monitoring System tutorial. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the powerful features of the WASM 604 system designed to optimize your compressed air usage and enhance efficiency. Explore the comprehensive dashboard for real-time monitoring of your compressed air system. The dashboard offers a clear and concise overview of your system's performance, providing instant access to critical data. View key metrics such as flow, pressure, power, and dew point at a glance. These metrics are updated in real time, ensuring you always have the most current information at your fingertips. The dashboard's customizable widgets allow you to tailor the display to your specific needs, making it easier to track the parameters that matter most to you. Navigation and menus. Easily navigate through the intuitive menus to access different modules. The user-friendly interface is designed for simplicity, allowing even first-time users to find their way around quickly. Access detailed analytics and reports with just a few clicks. Our system's organized structure means you can switch between different sections seamlessly, ensuring you can get to the information you need without any hassle. Real-time monitoring. Monitor real-time data to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. Our advanced sensors provide accurate and timely data, giving you a clear picture of your system's status at all times. Set customizable alerts for critical parameters to stay informed. Whether you're monitoring pressure drops or flow rate anomalies, our alert system will notify you immediately, helping you take corrective action before any issues escalate. Trend analysis. Analyze trends over time to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Our trend analysis tools enable you to look at historical data and uncover insights that can help optimize your system's performance. Leverage historical data to make data-driven decisions. By understanding past performance, you can make informed choices that improve efficiency and reduce costs. Our software allows you to visualize trends through graphs and charts, making it easier to spot patterns and anomalies. Customizable reports. Generate and export detailed reports tailored to your specific needs. Our reporting tools offer flexibility, allowing you to select the parameters and timeframes that are most relevant to your analysis. Customize report parameters and formats for comprehensive insights. You can choose from various formats, including PDF and Excel, to share insights with your team or stakeholders. These reports provide a thorough overview of your system's performance, helping you make strategic decisions.